Cassowary. This bird is known as one of the most dangerous birds in the world because of its large and sharp claws. Apart from being dangerous, this bird also has a sound like a monster or a scary wild animal. Pawtaw bird. One type of bird that is still related to the owl. This nocturnal bird often perches upright on a tree with the appearance of a living tree branch. Apart from its skill in camouflaging itself in trees, this bird also has a shrill voice that sounds like a scream at night.